Good day everyone, this is Roxanne James currently from University of Cebu, and on this video we're going to discuss the five major parts of the lathe machine operation, and we're also going to compute the spindle speed, and then lastly we are going to perform facing and turning operation. So let's go. So here are the five parts of the lathe machine. So first one is the headstock, and it is located at the left end of the lathe bed. It contains the main spindle's mechanism for obtaining various speed spindles. And the second part is the machine bed. And the machine bed or the lathe bed is a strong bridge-like membranes made from high-grade cast iron and is heavily ribbed to give rigidity. And the third part of the lathe machine is the tailstock, and it is located at the right end of the lathe. It can be adjusted along the bedway to suit the length of the work. And the fourth part is the carriage, and the carriage provides various movements to the cutting tool to perform various operations on the lathe. And there are three movements of the carriage. First one is the longitudinal feed, the second one is cross feed, and the last one is angular feed. And the last part of the lathe machine is the feed mechanism. And the feed mechanism, it consists the feed mechanism, it is the quick change gearbox provides easy change of the spindle speed and the speed for the feed shaft and the lead screw. So those are the five basic part of the lathe machine. So now we are going to compute the spindle speed, and we already have a given here still 30 to 45 meters per minute for a high speed tool, and we also have 90 to 150 meters per minute for cemented carbide tool, and the cemented carbide tool, which is 90 to 150 meters, will be our cutting speed, and our diameter is 30 to 45 meters per minute. So the formula that we are going to use for this, for us to compute the spindle speed or to get the value of spindle speed is 1000 times cutting speed divided by pi, or 3.14 times the diameter. So here we are going to replace the cutting speed to its value, which is 90. So 1000 times 90, and below we're going to replace the diameter to its value, which is 30. So it's going to be 3.14 times 30. And now computing the final spindle speed, 1000 times 90 divided by 3.14 times 30 is equivalent to 955.41 rpm. So that's our total spindle speed. And now I'm going to set the spindle speed to the required number, which is 1600 rpm for the mount steel. And after this, we are going to turn on the machine to check the spindle speed. And now we are going to set the specific workpiece to a specific number. And at the end of this video, there will be a given task that need to be accomplished. But before that, we need to put or prepare all our tools to the tool post so that we can proceed to the facing and turning operation. And in turning operation, it is much better to use grooving tools to prevent the angle cut. And now we will be placing the tool post to the work and check if the diameter and length, if it met the requirement, which is 100 for the length and 30 for diameter. And after that, we will attach the tool bit to the workpiece so that we can get the exact target measurement. And we will be doing the facing and get 10 millimeters slowly so that we can get the total millimeters, which is also 10 millimeters. But we have to get it first by 5 millimeters and then get another 5 millimeters. And the next thing we need to do is to do the turning and set the diameter of the workpiece is 30. And the required on the task is 28 millimeters, so we need to reduce it up to 2 millimeters, and we will be doing the same process to get the exact measurement. After that, check the diameter and length that has been cut, and the result will be 100 to 90 for length and 28 for the
After
diameter
that,
of
ato i-check
30.
ang dimensions nga atong
Next,
nakat.
we will cut again the 28
Sa nakita
diameter
na to na
to
screen,
25
ang length
diameter
is
to
90
achieve the
mm
next
gikan sa
measurement
100
with the
and
same length
28
of
gikan
20
sa 30 nga
millimeters.
dimension. Nakuha na nato ang
On the
28
right,
mm
cut
diameter.
60
Next,
millimeters
is
to the
mag-cut
left
na sad ta
so
og
that the
3
diameter and the length
mm para
will
makuha
remain
nato
the
ang
same.
25 mm diameter with the length of 20 mm lang gihapon.
After that,
From the
check
right,
the
mukat ta
reduced
og
diameter
60
and
mm
then
to the
flip
left
it
para
at
mapabilin to
the
ang
next target or
28
the next
dimension
requirement
og
or
length
required
nga
measurement.
20 mm. Same process lang gyapon na pagkuha sa exact measurement nga atong kuhaon sa workpiece. Ato i-check ang nakuha